Can ChatGPT really create professional-looking double exposure images from one simple prompt? Apparently, yes. Let me show you. Give it 2 images. And the magic word in the prompt is double exposure. ChatGPT already knows what to do. Honestly, the results surprised even me. 2 images with different aspect ratios? Doesn't matter. ChatGPT handles that too. But double exposure usually means 2 images. Only got 1? No problem. ChatGPT accepts words too. And sometimes words work even better. And don't forget the right keywords at the end. Phrases like cinematic look, muted colors, soft, natural colors, or high-key lighting can take the image to another level. What about bad images? Bad quality, I meant. Try it anyway. The result can still look impressive. The original doesn't deserve this result. Want it to look more expensive? The prompt box is waiting. A few keywords like cinematic poster style are enough to impress everyone. Even abstract shapes work surprisingly well. And if the first result isn't quite right, give ChatGPT another shot. Feeling ambitious? Try a triple exposure. Mission accomplished. No picture on hand? Good news. Imagination still counts as input. Pro tip: your wording decides the style. Say visible inside the silhouette for the classic look, or blended inside for a soft, transparent effect. You can even build a double exposure from the same photo twice. Single exposure, technically.